In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in QuickBooks Online Accountant. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to update so your communications and notifications use the correct email. First, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online Accountant account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is the main settings menu in QuickBooks. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where you'll find most of the account level options and company settings. Once the menu opens, look for the option labeled Account and Settings. Click on that. This will open a new window or panel where all of your core company details are stored, including your company information, billing, usage, and advanced preferences. This is the central place for managing how your firm's QuickBooks is set up behind the scenes. Inside Account and Settings, you'll see several tabs running along the left-hand side. Find and select the tab labeled Company. This section focuses on your firm's identity inside QuickBooks, things like your company name, legal information, and the contact details clients in the system will use. Within the Company tab, scroll until you find the Contact Info section. This is the area that controls the main email details associated with your company profile. Take a moment to review what's currently there so you know exactly what you're changing from. In the Contact Info section, you'll see fields for Company Email and Customer-Facing Email. The company email is typically where QuickBooks sends important notifications and account-related messages, so make sure this is an inbox you or your team check regularly. The customer-facing email is what your clients and customers will see on invoices, estimates, and other communications sent from QuickBooks. Update the company email field with the new address you want to use internally, and then update the customer-facing email with the address you want clients to reply to. These can be the same or different, depending on how your firm is set up. After you've entered the correct email addresses, look for the Save button in that section and click it. QuickBooks should confirm that your changes have been saved. When you're finished reviewing everything, click Done to close out of Account and Settings. Your new email details are now active and will be used going forward.